Hey, this is David with the Prepper Bookshelf, and today I've got a book that has had a lot of good press. This book has kind of been around a little bit, kind of a hit. Artisan Bread in 5 Minutes. Okay, the discovery that revolutionizes home baking. I like bread, right? You can tell. But, and I like baking. I like making stuff. But, kneading and waiting and all that stuff takes a long time. This gives you a way to make a lot of bread with not a lot of work. Where you can keep bread, in the refrigerator, constantly proofing, constantly evolving, and it gets better with age. And when you want some bread, you just pull out a bit and, let it sit out for a minute or two to get up to temperature and then throw it in the oven. This is a very simple way, of making breads. And, nice, good pictures, nice recipes, very, very clear, lots of different ways of doing things. Huge amount of recipes. This is a really good book to have, because let's face it, if all you got is a 55-gallon drum full of hard red wheat, you want to have a way to use it and turn it into something besides mush, right? And so bread is very important, and so I would totally recommend this book. It's a cool book, right? So anyway, there you go. And until next time, you can always catch us online at theprepperbookshelf.com. Thanks.